India, home to 1.3 billion people, 70% of which reside in rural India. With such a huge population, the challenges are bigger as well. One of such challenges is electricity. Young brains are constantly trying to find out alternative ways of power generation. This video is about one of such young brains from Assam who has come up with an idea of electricity generation from cow's urine. If this project is implemented in larger scale, one can easily imagine its huge benefits. Cows have historically been important animals for the Indians, but with this new concept of power generation from cow's urine, the significance of this incredible animal is once again established.